Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your LG G8X ThinQ, for the first you have to go for your sound recorder. Right now click on the settings, get access to location right here. I mean location and other permissions. If you want to start record, just tap right here, and right now the smartphone starts recording sounds. If you want to finish, click here, and here we get our records, so we can try with this one, for example. So that's how we can record sounds on the smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.